Welcome back! We'll be making use of the Atom text editor in the computer vision section. You can feel free to use any text editor you want, like Sublime or Vim, in which case feel free to skip this lesson. Otherwise, if you don't have a text editor installed, let's get to it. Downloading it is quite simple for both Mac and Windows. I'll be proceeding with the Mac installation by going over to atom.io, and inside of atom.io just clicking download. This is also downloadable from TextBot by also going over to Google and then searching TextBot Atom Download. And going into the first link, where if you just simply click on the appropriate link and then wait for it to finish setting up the download, whether you're on Mac or Windows. Alright, once your installation is complete, it should be inside of your Downloads folder. Let us just open up Atom and see what it's like. It's verifying this new application. We're going to open it. Alright, we're going to close the following, and now what we'll do is click on Packages. And inside of Packages, we're going to go to Settings View and open the settings. If you're using a PC, I imagine the process to get to your settings view should be quite similar. And now, inside of Editor, we can modify some settings. For example, the font family. I'm quite satisfied with the current font, and font size 16 seems pretty reasonable. And two other boxes I like to have checked are showing the cursor on selection and showing indentation indicators. Indentation is fundamental to Pythonic code, as it distinguishes between different blocks of code. So it will definitely be useful to always have indentation indicators. And finally, one more thing that's pretty important is the tab length. The default tab length should be 2, I believe, but I personally prefer using 4 spaces per tab. And just one more thing I want to do before moving on is enabling autosave. So we'll go back to Package, and this will be very convenient in our code since it would keep us from having to save our code every time we need to run it. So what we'll do is inside of Core Packages, scroll down till you find Autosave. Right over here. And make sure that you enable it. I already have it enabled. Alright, and that concludes the installation section.